a boat cruise with wine.
Welcome to San Francisco, the best city in the United States of America.
Anything you have to say, Kevin?
Cheers.
Come to Pier 39 to see the sea lions. You drive really high up to the top of the mountain. This is the best view of the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. So I'm at Kirby Cove and I'm going to look for the swing overlooking the Golden Gate Bridge. So I loved Kirby Cove. The only problem is walking back up the hill. I was walking along this beautiful path, and if you look up, there's a heart right there. If you like Mexican food, you have to come to Mission. If you wander down Lilac, you can find this whole alley full of graffiti. For lunch, I'm gonna stop by Ghirardelli, the famous spot here in San Francisco where it originated, to have some chocolate right before my real lunch. Let's go. Check out this adorable entrance. So we're about to get on the cable cars, which are iconic here in San Francisco with all the steep hills. These were built to help with transportation in 1873, and we're about to get on this gorgeous red one. Gorgeous windows in Union Square, and I'm headed to Dragon's Gate in Chinatown.